The Renaissance age is an age that lasted from the 1300s to the 1700s. It was the age of discovery when a lot of things were discovered. So I'm going to share a couple of those with you today. So I've researched and I've found some that I thought were kind of unexpected or pretty cool. So let's start off with the mechanical clock. And you could be saying, well, Chaska, clock has been around for a long time, sundials and stuff, but this was the first one that ran on power, electricity, or mercury. So this was invented in the Renaissance age, and it was the first way to accurately measure daytime, like 24 hours. Before, it wasn't that accurate when they just used sundials and stuff, but as soon as they invented this, it was much easier to get on time to their appointments, so their boss would stop yelling at them for being late. The next one that I thought was unexpected was artillery. I mean, you don't usually associate those guys in those powdered white wigs on the piano with giant flaming bombs shot out of a cannon, but, learn something new every day, but this was unexpected. William Congreve was the one who really pushed to make better rockets, I guess you could say, because before they didn't have that good of stuff. But this is where our artillery was born. William Congreve really pushed to make it happen. The next is the printing press. Everyone knows about the printing press, right? It's like why we have books and stuff. Also, it was invented by Johannes Gutenberg, if I'm pronouncing that right. Johannes, whatever it is, but he invented the printing press, and he's the reason why we have school textbooks. I know I don't like that one either, but it's also the one why we have fantasy novels and stuff. So you can thank him every time you sit down to read a book. And the last one, everyone knows this guy. Pretty much anyone who has ever gone to school has heard of this guy. Galileo, the one who invented the telescope. He studied space very much. His beliefs were against the Roman Church's beliefs, so he couldn't really spread them out very much, but toward the end, when he was about to die, he actually spread his beliefs out more. But Galileo's the one who invented the telescope. Oh, by the way, I might be mixing that up with someone else, like Aristotle or something. But I know that he studied space and he was called the father of astronomy. He's the one who invented the telescope. So, and these are all the inventions that I really found today. So, I think some of these are pretty cool, and we have a lot to thank for those people back in the Renaissance age. So, yeah, thanks for watching.